Welcome to today's episode of Rise of Conquerors. What we're going to see today is an AI tool with which you can actually make any person in a video. You can actually put that together with another audio file and make that person say whatever is there in the audio file with perfect lip syncing. It actually causes the lips to move in a way that you feel like the person has said whatever you want them to say. But it's not really the case, right? The similar thing is also there in something called DID, which we will be covering in a subsequent video. But DID is a paid software, whereas this Wav2lip, the software that we are covering today, Wav2lip, is actually free. It's been around for a while, almost more than a year, I think. I have actually seen references of it around 1.5 years ago also. But now it's available in Google Colab. So Google Colab basically allows you to use Wav2lip in that Google Colab environment, which means that you take Google's cloud computers and you run it on that. You use Google's GPU so that it runs really fast. And it does not tax any of your laptop or PC's resources if you don't have that many, right? This is the method that I would suggest, and this is the method that I use myself as well. So for this, you would have to take a subscription of Google Colab Pro, right? It costs, I think, $15 or $10 per month, something like that. And it's highly worth it because you can run Stable Diffusion, you can run Roop, which is a deep faking software. So a lot of things actually kind of open with Stable Diffusion. You can run Stable Diffusion itself, ControlNet, you can run dForum for AI videos, you can run Warp Fusion, which again, we will be making a tutorial and a video for. This is Wav2lip. And let us see how it works. Let's dive in. So what I've done is I have opened Wav2lip and I have gone to File and done Save a Copy in Drive. I've already done that. This is a Python notebook and this is what has all the code which is already written. We don't have to do anything. And it is running in my Google Colab. It automatically opens in Google Colab. So all we have to do is you have to just click on the link and then do that copy. What you have to also do after you open and copy this Google Colab is that you have to connect. Do this, click down here, you'll have a connect button and then just connect to a hosted runtime. Once you connect, it will typically it'll connect you to a lower end configuration of Google Colab Pro. Then you have to go to runtime, then you have to click on change runtime type and get it to V100 GPU. That works pretty well. T4 GPU is the lowest configuration, A100 is the highest one that we have here on Google Colab Pro. Get it to V100, it works pretty fast. So I've already done that, I won't do it again. Then it'll show you it's connected here and then do all the remaining steps. Click on setup. You just click the play icon here. It will set it up, I've already done it. Don't do this YouTube video, just ignore this. Then you have this cell here, lip sync on your video file. So just expand this if it's not already expanded and select upload method as custom path, and here you have to give path to the video. Now to give path to the video, you have to just take whatever video you have. In my case, I'll show you which is the video that I actually ran. This is the video that I have run, right? This is Gal Gadot. I just took an interview of hers and I cut it down in my video editing software, which is Final Cut Pro. I took around 5 seconds and I wanted to combine that with an MP3 file. We wanted to actually animate a cartoon. We wanted to animate an anime using Wav2lip. It didn't work out so well, but in the process, I ended up testing it on Gal Gadot and it worked out very, very well. So I think when it comes to animated characters, it's a hit and a miss, but when it comes to actual human faces, it seems to do a much better job. And a pretty good job, which I'll show you how it works. So I took that and I took this audio. Let me show you the audio as well.
Capture this emotion. There's something missing in my work.
Okay, it's just a small audio, right? So now we want to put this together with that video, which you just saw. So what I did, I took the video, I put it in here. I just dragged it in here. And I took the audio, I dragged it in here. Then the video was actually this one, right? So what I did was I'll do a copy path and I'll put it in here. And I will run it. So, and you have to make sure that it's 720p. So just make your video resolution 1280 by 720. 1280 would be the width and 720 would be the height. Because this Wav2lip only supports that. So here I have uploaded the video. I've stripped the video of the sound, right, of the original sound. Select custom path and upload the audio link. How do you do that? You just right click on the audio which you have uploaded here, which was this, and then you do copy path and then you upload it here. Then you play it, right? You have to play both the video and the audio, both. Okay, click play there, click play here. Pasted it here, and I've already run this, so I'm not running it again, but this is the audio.
Capture this emotion. There's something missing in my work.
That's the audio. After you're done with that, then you click play on the step 4, which is this one. Let us run it and show you. Now step 4 is done. Let us see what it did. It gave me the video.
Capture this emotion. There's something missing in my work.
Which is excellent. It's got her to speak exactly what I wanted her to speak. Let us show you this in full screen. Because it's 720, it's a little grainy, but you could always upscale it with the AI video upscaler like Topaz Video. For your reference now, I will actually show you how the original video was.
Great. How are you?
I'm good. I couldn't be better. I'm with you. I'm catching.
That's it. And now it turned into...
Capture this emotion. There's something missing in my work.
Amazing. Amazing what AI can now do, right? And there are ways which you can clean up this. There might be some glitchiness, but overall this works amazing. And after you upscale the video, it's so good. So this is a very popular one in the AI industry right now, and it's being used by people to create deep fakes and even have like deep fake movies and movie trailers, etc., etc. So very interesting to do. Stay tuned for more such episodes where we will show you exactly how to use all of these AI videos and also show you nice, interesting outputs of where all AI is currently being used right now.